If you boiled away all the oceans, you could build a wall of salt that literally reaches space. So, where the heck did all that salt come from? All right, picture this. We snap our fingers, and all the water in the oceans just evaporates. What's left behind? A mountain of salt. And not just any mountain. We're talking a wall of salt 143 miles high, thick enough to wrap around the entire planet at the equator. That's like stacking 25 Mount Everests on top of each other. How did this even happen? The most common answer is rivers flow into the ocean. But hold on a second. Rivers are fresh water. You don't drink salt water from your local river, do you? Seems like there's a catch, right? Well, there is. In reality, rivers are secret salt couriers. Every time it rains, the water absorbs a little carbon dioxide from the air, turning it into a weak acid. This fizzy rainwater falls to the ground and slowly, millimeter by millimeter, dissolves rocks and soil, leaching out mineral salts. The rivers then collect this microscopic salty broth and carry it straight to the ocean. And this is where the magic happens. The sun heats the ocean, water evaporates to form clouds, leaving all the salt behind. It's a one-way trip for the salt. This process has been running non-stop for hundreds of millions of years. The ocean is basically a giant savings account where rivers have been depositing tiny coins of salt for eons, and there are no withdrawals. By the way, the salt in your shaker is a little souvenir from the past. It's often mined from rock salt deposits, which are just the leftovers of ancient seas that dried up in the exact same way. And here's the final mind-blower. The ocean's saltiness isn't just a random fact. It's the planet's thermostat. It's the difference in salt and temperature that drives the massive ocean currents, which act like a global conveyor belt, moving heat from the equator to the poles. Without that salt, our climate would be completely different, and life as we know it might not even exist.